As campaigning ended for the fifth phase, the focus now shifts almost seamlessly to the sixth phase. Star campaigners, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi, chief ministers of BJP-ruled states, intensified their campaign for the sixth phase. Mihir Makori gets us the lowdown on the shift in focus to the sixth phase. Here's his report.
As the curtains fell on the campaigning for the fifth phase of polls in India's seven-phase general elections on Saturday, the political campaigning for the sixth phase of elections began. India's Prime Minister and senior BJP leader Narendra Modi spearheaded the BJP's election charge in Haryana, where 10 seats are up for grabs. While addressing his rallies in Sonipat and Ambala, PM Modi intensified his attack on the Congress party, emphasizing that for the Congress, the vote bank is paramount.
कांग्रेस को महिलाओं से, किसानों से, नौजवानों से कोई मतलब नहीं है। कांग्रेस को सिर्फ वोट से मतलब है। अब बताइए, दिल्ली और हरियाणा में हाथ में झाड़ू लेकर घूम रहे हैं और पंजाब में कह रहे हैं झाड़ू वाला चोर है। अब इन्होंने हरियाणा वालों को समझ क्या रखा है? भाइयों बहनों, इनके लिए वोट बैंक ही सब कुछ है।
In the evening, the Prime Minister held a poll rally in northeast Delhi. During the address, Prime Minister Modi expressed confidence, stating that with the blessings of the people, the BJP is on track to secure a hat-trick victory on all 7 seats. Saturday also saw BJP National President JP Nadda holding multiple rallies in the northern Indian state of Himachal Pradesh. While addressing his rallies in Kangra, Chamba and Shimla, Nadda slammed the opposition in the alliance, emphasizing that they don't care about the public.
जो अभी सरकार है ये बैक गियर सरकार, इसमें फ्रंट गियर है ही नहीं। ये आगे चलती नहीं है, ये बैक गियर लगाती है, फर्स्ट गियर है ही नहीं, ये बैक गियर लगी हुई है। 900 इंस्टीट्यूशंस बंद कर दिए, 900 इंस्टीट्यूशंस, 650 के आसपास ऑफिसेज और इंस्टीट्यूशंस बंद हो गए, स्कूल्स बंद हो गए। और इसलिए मैं निवेदन करना चाहता हूं, अब कमल खिलेगा और हमेशा कमल खिलेगा, इसकी चिंता कीजिए।
Union Minister and BJP candidate from the Hamirpur Lok Sabha seat, Anurag Singh Thakur, addressed a public meeting in Una, Himachal Pradesh. Meanwhile, Union Minister and senior BJP leader Rajnath Singh held an election rally in UP's Basti. In Bihar's Siwan, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma addressed a public rally to garner support from the voters for the BJP. Uttarakhand CM Pushkar Singh Dhami held roadshows and public meetings in support of BJP's New Delhi Lok Sabha candidate Basuri Swaraj. Leaders of the opposition in the alliance have ramped up their campaign efforts. As part of the sequence, senior Congress leader Rahul Gandhi held an election rally in Delhi's Chandni Chowk. Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav campaigned for the alliance candidates. While targeting the BJP in Balrampur, he confidently asserted that the results will favor the Indie bloc on June 4th.
बीजेपी चुनाव हार चुकी है। उनकी भाषा से, उनके भाषण से पूरे देश की जनता जान गई है कि उनका काउंटडाउन शुरू हो गया है।
In Bihar, RJD candidate Misa Bharti, who is contesting from Patliputra, was also seen campaigning in the area. In Haryana's Kurukshetra, Punjab's Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann, while addressing a public meeting, emphasized that our politics revolves around action, not merely rhetoric.
मैं अपने 2.25 साल के काम गिना के वोट मांग रहा हूं। अरविंद केजरीवाल जी 8 साल से दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री हैं, वो 8 साल के काम गिना के वोट मांग रहे हैं। हम नाम की राजनीति नहीं करते, हम काम की राजनीति करते हैं।
Congress candidate Raj Babbar, contesting from the Gurgaon Lok Sabha seat, emphasized the strength of his candidacy by stating that his fight is not against any individual or party, but against the issues plaguing the area. Mihir Makri's report for DD India.